Hi everyone, I did a post about, hi everyone, Erin here from Real Wig Fun. Thanks for joining me. So a while back, you may have seen that I did a post about how I secure my wigs. So I wanted to do a follow-up and an update on that. So I do wear a grip to secure my wigs. And specifically, I do have one that I've worn for a very long time. I've been wearing wigs now for about a year and a half. And my go-to favorite wig grip has been the hair grip. So you can see it here. It is well loved, but honestly, this has stood up so well because I wear it almost every single day without fail. About a month and a half ago, thehairgrip.com reached out to me to let me know that they would be launching a new updated hair grip. And would I be interested in trying it? And of course I was, because my experience with their original hair grip was so positive. So they sent me the product, and I've been wearing it for a couple of weeks now. So I, with confidence, can share with you what my experience has been. So let's take a look at the packaging. This is the nice packaging that it comes in. Okay, on the back it shows that it comes in brown, also in tan, and the nice thing is it comes in two different sizes, a small and a medium. So how does this hair grip differ from my original version? Well, number one, there's now the addition of the lace part. So you can adjust the wig grip to align with your parting in your hair to help with that natural illusion of scalp, which is awesome. The second change that I've really noticed was how, I don't know a better word, how grippy it is. This hair goes nowhere with this hair grip, and it gives me a tremendous amount of security when I'm wearing this, that my hair is not moving, which is awesome. Part of that is due to one of the other enhancements that I think is brilliant, and that is the addition of a silicone strip on the hair grip. So I'm going to take my wig off so that you can see the hair grip that I'm talking about. Okay, so same, felt fabric, very comfortable. It's not thick and bulky. Here is that new addition to the lace that I mentioned. So my older version did not have that. So that's really a great addition. Why don't I take it off? And you'll have to just forgive my flyaway hair and everything else. So obviously, you're going to Velcro to secure it, and you have all of this space depending on your head size, so you don't have to worry about, is it going to fit, is it not? But here's the silicone grip, okay? So let me get it close. So you can likely see the reflection, it's right here. So the silicone strip runs on either side of the lace, and this does a wonderful job of securing your hair grip to your head and ensuring that that wig or hair piece is going nowhere. The other thing that I love, and I think I said this during my original review about some of the others that I have worn in the past, is I love this foolproof tag. So it says, wear with this label facing inward on the right side of your head, and hand wash cold and dry flat. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with wearing a hair grip, the reason why placement is important and why this sign is so valuable is because of how a hair grip actually works. So when you have it on properly, let me just move this back. When you have it on properly, if I was to run my finger across the velour, you may be able to see here there's some friction. Versus if I go the other direction, it's incredibly smooth. So it's that friction that's holding that wig to the hair grip, okay? So incredibly comfortable. I love the new lace. I love the silicone strip. I think it's a great add, and it's really easy to put on. So for those of you that are brand new to wigs, this is how I keep mine secure all throughout the day. So the last thing that you'll want to know is when you open up the packaging, there's a great little card in here that indicates the instructions. Don't feel overwhelmed. It's incredibly easy to use. So if you haven't checked it out, go over to thehairgrip.com.